Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're going straight to Settings. Open your browser's search engine or default browser panel and look at the active provider. Change the default to Google, DuckDuckGo, or another alternative so queries stop going to Bing. Once you set a new default, remove Bing from the list or click Remove. Also open extensions or add-ons and disable any Bing-related extension. You do this first, so subsequent steps will not reassign Bing while you clean other system-level integrations. Next, tackle system-level bindings and Microsoft Edge, which tends to prefer Bing. In Windows settings, locate default apps or the address bar search options and ensure your chosen browser and search engine are set. This prevents OS search boxes from sending queries to Bing. In Edge, open Settings right arrow Privacy, Search, and Services, then Address Bar and Search. Change the search engine used in the address bar, or replace Edge entirely if it forces Bing. Make sure to remove any leftover Bing search. Finish by clearing cache, cookies, and saved search engines so old redirects stop. Restart the browser and test multiple searches. If Bing still appears, inspect startup pages, pin tabs, desktop shortcuts, right-click right arrow properties for custom search args, and any remaining extensions. On stubborn Windows devices, you may need to inspect specific registry entries or group policy settings. Only edit those if you're comfortable. Otherwise, use a fresh browser install. If things go wrong, restore a backup profile or ask for exact error details so you can roll back safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.